Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable back-in-stock notifications in the Asos app. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to get notified when an out-of-stock item becomes available again, here's how you can do it. First, open the Asos app, browse through the app and find the item you're interested in. If the item is currently out of stock in your desired size or color, tap the heart icon to save it to your saved items list. Next, navigate to your saved items, locate the items you have just saved. If it's out of stock, you will see a Notify Me button next to it. Tap on Notify Me to enable back-in-stock notifications for that specific items. To ensure you receive these notifications, make sure push notifications are enabled for the Asos app. Go to Settings within the app, select Notifications and toggle on the restock notifications you want to receive. If the toggle is to the right and highlighted, notifications are enabled. Now when the item comes back in stock, you will receive a push notification alerting you. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.